Introduction to the seated leg curl machine.
The seated leg curl machine is designed to target your hamstrings. It helps build strength in the back of your thighs, supports knee health, and improves lower body performance. Whether you're new to the gym or a seasoned athlete, learning how to set up and use this machine correctly is key for effectiveness and safety.
Adjusting the machine, finding the proper settings.
First, adjust the backrest so that your knees align comfortably with the machine's pivot point. Set the leg pad so it rests a few inches above your heels, just above the ankles. Adjust the lever or roller to fit snugly against your legs. Make sure your feet are flat and your knees are bent at a 90-degree angle before starting.
Selecting the right weight.
Begin with a light weight to focus on learning proper technique. Choose a resistance that allows you to complete your desired repetitions with control, but which feels challenging toward the last few reps. As your hamstring strength improves, gradually increase the weight while keeping good form.
Step by step, performing a seated leg curl.
Sit back with your lower back pressed against the pad. Grip the handles or seat edge for support. Exhale and curl your legs down by squeezing your hamstrings, bringing your heels toward your glutes. Pause, then slowly return to the starting position without letting the weights touch. Keep the movement smooth and controlled throughout.
Tips for proper form and safety.
Avoid jerking or swinging your legs. Keep your back and hips pressed into the seat at all times. Don't lock your knees at the top. Focus on squeezing your hamstrings rather than using momentum. If you feel discomfort or pain, stop the exercise. Good form helps prevent injuries and maximizes the benefits for your hamstrings.
Conclusion: building stronger hamstrings.
Mastering the seated leg curl machine can enhance your lower body workouts and overall athletic performance. By adjusting your settings, choosing the right weight, and focusing on proper form, you'll effectively target your hamstrings. Regular use with attention to technique helps build strong, resilient legs for daily life and sports.